Hello class 12th. Today I am going to continue with this topic, that is biopatent, and the same chapter is biotechnology and its application. Okay, now today's topic is biopatent. I will continue with this topic. Biopatent. As you know, a patent is a set of right. Okay, patent as you know it is a set of right granted by the government to an inventor in order to prevent others from making commercial use of its invention. That is biopatent. Okay, patent is the set of right granted by the government to an inventor. किसको हम grant करेंगे? To an inventor. Okay, to an inventor in order to prevent others from making commercial use of its invention. Patents are exclusively granted for. Patents are exclusively granted for. जो पेटेंट होता है वो किसके लिए ग्रांट करते हैं हम? फर्स्ट वन इन्वेंशंस, सेकेंड वन इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ अर्लियर इन्वेंशन, इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ अर्लियर इन्वेंशन or inventions, and the third one is process of generating a product. Okay, generating a product, process of generating a product, यानी कि हम उसकी शॉर्ट प्रोसेस में प्रोडक्ट जनरेट कर रहे हैं या लॉन्ग टाइम लग रहा है तो उसको हम ओवरकम करने के लिए शॉर्ट टाइम, लाइक दैट. एंड द फोर्थ वन दैट इज कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ और डिजाइन, कॉन्सेप्ट or design. Okay, patents are exclusively granted for following four objectives. First one is inventions, second one improvement of earlier inventions, third one is generating a product, and the fourth one is a concept or design. In the present time, patents are also granted for biological entities and for the products derived from them. These patents are hence known as biopatent. Biopatent. Okay. Biopatent are related to the biological entities. They are awarded for the achievement in some areas of biotechnology, such as strains of microorganisms, cell lines, genetically modified strains of plants. Okay. And animals DNA sequences, the protein encoded by DNA sequence, and various biotechnological procedure, production processes and products and product applications. वहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं? बायो पेटेंट अप्लाई करते हैं. बेसिकली procedure, biotechnological procedure, production processes and products and product application. Okay, what biopatent basically system permits the private monopoly rights over cell, gene, animal and plants. Though gene cells, organism, microorganism, plants and animals are not inventions, therefore should not be patented. Next one, in 1995 the USA lab granted a patent. Okay, in 1995 USA lab granted a patent to a medical center, University of Mississippi, USA, for the use of turmeric. ठीक है, टर्मरिक तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है ना, टर्मरिक दैट इज हल्दी इन हिंदी. पाउडर एज अ वुंड हीलिंग एजेंट, बट CSIR, Central Drug Research Institute, okay, CSIR, New Delhi, objected this patent and the patent was cancelled in 1998. इसने ऑब्जेक्ट किया कि टर्मरिक क्या है, इंडियन ऑरिजिन का है. Okay, the evidence established that the use of turmeric for promoting wound healing had been known for generation in India. Again, in 1997, the EPO, European Patent Organization, European Patent Organization, has given the favorable interim judgment of the challenges of the European patent on the fungicidal effect of neem oil. Okay, neem oil, owned by G. Grace and co-workers. The challenges of this patent was done by Dr. Vandana Shiva and Ms. Magda Alowit, MP of the European Parliament, and the others NGOs of neem campaign. This patent was also revoked in 2004 on the basis of the evidence that such added properties of neem has already been reported in Indian literature. Next, in 1986, a patent claimed an established an extensively new distinct variety of Benestropsis capi, known in the Amazon as Azor, but new evidence established that the claimed plant is the wild uncultivated variety and is neither new or distinct. Next, recently the US government has patented the Indian basmati rice. Indian basmati rice as rice tech. बासमती राइस को उन्होंने क्या दिया, राइस टेक. As rice tech, the government of India challenged on April 2001. Government of India challenged on April 2001. Consequently, USPTO stand for United States Patent and Trademark Office. United States Patent and Trademark Office. United States Patent and Trademark Office. Okay, stand for USPTO. Served as